Now
So
she'll...
what about her bouncer? Is she cool with that?
No, she doesn't like to lay. She wants to stand.
Huh?
She doesn't like to lay. She wants to stand.
So y'all just haven't gotten the juice out of that thing at all, have you?
No.
But you never know, the next baby may love it.
Yeah. She's so cute.
Is she in it now?
Uh-huh. He's so excited, huh? It's so exciting. Yeah. Hey, you chewing that? Yeah? Yep. She's pretty excited. Ain't ya? Ain't ya? Yeah. Yeah. You can see her chewing on her hand, too.
Huh?
You can see her chewing on her hand.
Oh. Ooh, she hasn't bit on you when she's nursing yet, has she?
No.
Oh, baby, when those teeth come in, you better get ready.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I know. I don't know what I'll do about that yet.
Well, you gotta look at it and see if anybody has an idea for it, because I just put nursing. I mean, it was just like, okay, that's it. Nothing more. But maybe there's a way to gently teach them not to do that I didn't know about. Gotta Google that. Do you still go to your law thing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you need to ask somebody about that. They do when they start biting
Okay.
during nursing. So you'll know if there is anything. If there isn't, you may just decide, okay, this nurses. So much for that plan.
Get it, honey. Get it.
So when is it Donna and Glenn are coming?
I think...
Do you know?
No, I don't know.
Oh. So you're thinking this week or next week? Next week?
No, I don't know. Good job, honey. Good job. Hi. Hi. What's this, huh? What's that? What is it? What is it? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, all done. All done.